We are very excited, especially with the number of companies that are exhibiting and that have actually come for this ZimTrade outward mission. You may recall in Tete we had about 11 companies. Last year we had 15 companies. This year we now have 20 companies. It actually shows the importance that our companies are giving to this mission. Not only that, even the amount of revenue that we've actually realized through these trade missions. Now we've been doing our competitions. It's about 2 million, and other deals actually on underway. They are still being considered. So we hope in no time we should make more progress. We are equally happy with the opening of a warehouse in Chimoyo. We have plans to open a warehouse in Chimoyo. We hope this will materialize immediately. As you have been seeing, the companies in Mozambique, there's a huge appetite for Zimbabwean products. Mozambique has a population of about 37 million. That is a huge market for Zimbabwean companies. So we are urging our companies to come and grab this opportunity. This is a huge market. If you combine the Mozambican market, the Zimbabwean market, 16 million plus 37 million, I think you can actually do the competition alone. We're talking of more than 50 million people. So we will continue to promote these ZimTrade missions. Not only this, even Manicaland companies that we are facilitating to come here and exhibit as well, they are reporting positive results.
We have organized an outward mission to Beira, and we've got 20 Zimbabwean companies that are participating with us. And these companies are from agric inputs and implements, FMCG related products, building and construction material. We also have some that are into irrigation equipment. When we participated last year, the business generated amounted to $2 million US dollars, and we believe that for this year, where we have taken more of the established companies in our participation in this fair, the business to be generated will actually double or triple for 2026. I think the key thing why we are conducting this outward mission, it's a follow-up to the market scan that we carried out about 2 years ago, where we identified quite a lot of opportunities for Zimbabwean companies. As you all know that Mozambique is Zimbabwe's fourth largest trading partner in terms of exports, where our total exports for last year amounted to 266 million US dollars. So this mission is actually for us to increase on that export figure. I think the key thing that we're also doing as ZimTrade is also for us to prepare ourselves for the establishment of a warehouse here in Beira, where as ZimTrade we've already done a scoping exercise in terms of where we can have a warehouse and also a retail shop as well in Manuel Province, so that we can drive our exports to Mozambique and ultimately to increase trade in Africa as part of the intra-Africa trade.
What I think that those are those opportunities that we have to create more and more times. Okay, and as you said, this is the second time that we are meeting after the last year that we had the same meeting, and those are the sort of thing that improves the business opportunity as well. And as we said during the events, we did create a good environment to increase the number of traders that are doing business between Zimbabwe and Mozambique.
A number of issues were raised during the course of the meeting, which are hindering the trade between the two countries. As the business community here, what are you doing at least to improve those things which were raised?
Yeah, what we're doing to increase the raise that we are keep sharing the information about what we can do between both countries. Okay, that's why it's common to you to have business guys from Mozambique going to Zimbabwe, so that we can prospect the opportunity that are there, and when we come back we do a plan about how we can serve or supply those needs from people from Zimbabwe. And the opposite side, we do also the same, that we are keeping receiving entrepreneurs from Zimbabwe, so that they can know what are things that can be done in Mozambique.
Which areas do you think are ideal for Zimbabwean business to invest in, especially in Sofala Province?
I would focus on agriculture, based on your experience in agriculture. And Sofala Province, as you can see, we do have a good climate condition, and even the soils that are good for agriculture, and you have a knowledge about how to produce in large scale. And I think that this is one of the points that we can use in our favor in this relation with Zimbabwe.
Then we have the sea line or the coast, where there are a lot of opportunities for tourism. And are there any opportunities for Zimbabwean business to come on board?
Yes. I agree that there's a lot of opportunity, because even in tourism, you don't have a coastline, but you have experience in tourism. And I think that the joint venture and the knowledge and the know-how that you got can be used to supply, to serve and increase the tourism opportunity in Mozambique as well.